Hey James, my name is Jose, and today I'm going to give you 3 tips that you could actually implement onto your website yourselves that will help you start bringing in more traffic through your website, therefore increasing your revenue through your website. So let's not waste any more time and get right to it. So first of all, you have a very beautiful website. Unfortunately, Google cares about different things other than what it looks like. So for example, the first tip I have for you is your content, um, and that includes your images and words. For example, these images here. When I go to save image, see how it's saved under window dash replacement dash amarillo dash. You need to save it exactly as somebody would type your services on Google. For example, window replacement amarillo without the dashes. Amarillo window replacement without the dashes. So that way, when somebody types that into Google, Google will say these guys offer it because they have it on their page. So that's another reason why you need about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page, so you can fit more of these keywords on there and be found for more of your services. Okay, so I did pull up a couple of your competitors here in Amarillo, and I put you guys on this tool that allows me to look at the back end of your stats. So as you can see, this is your competitors, Window World Amarillo. They have 163 keywords. This is Window Depot Amarillo, 55 keywords. And you have 77. Now the question is, how many are you being found for? Okay, so let's take a look at your keywords. Okay, so in order to be found for your keywords, you need to be in positions 1 through 10. And as you can see, you're on number 12. So if you've ever questioned why you don't see a lot of people finding you through your website, this is why. Okay, so you do get people coming in through your GMB. As you can see here, you're number 1. So that's great. Congratulations on that. But you're not capitalizing all the people that you can by not having your website optimized. As you can see, you're missing out on window replacement Amarillo, 40 searches a month. Windows Amarillo, 40 searches a month. Windows Amarillo TX, another 40 searches a month. That's already 120 there. Window replacement Amarillo TX, 30 searches a month. Let's see, home exterior doors, 90 searches a month. So we can keep going and keep going. But let me show you how your competitors look. These are the guys taking all all your clients through the website. So these are in first position, first position, first position. And these are Windows Amarillo TX, window replacement Amarillo, 40 searches a month. So see, you're ranking for the same word, but you're in the 20th position, third page of Google when somebody types that in. So I really wanted to emphasize the keywords for you because it is just crucial to have those on your website and not only have them, but rank for them. So the second point I want to make is your power. The UR is the front page power. The DR is the overall website power. And in order to get power, you need backlinks. What a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to yours. Now this is Window World Amarillo. Let's take a look at yours, at your power. So you have a front page power of 9 and an overall website power of 0.8. Now as you can see, their website isn't as powerful either, but they are getting a lot of jobs. So what that tells me is that in your business, your type of business here in Amarillo, they haven't really discovered SEO. So I guess whoever jumps on this first is the one that's going to start dominating. But you need high quality backlinks to bring your scores up and to start bringing power to your keywords as well. So those are 2 tips I wanted to give you. The third one is, I guess you don't really need it, but I usually give you a tip on the map pack. But if you want to stay ahead of the game here, because they're always going to try to come for the top dog, you want to keep about 30 or 40 citations above what your competitors have. So what a citation is anytime you list your business name, phone number, and address on an online directory, such as Yelp.com or YellowPages.com, that's what a citation is. And you can find out how many everybody has with online tools, just searching them up. So those are the 3 tips I wanted to give you. If you need any help with this, feel free to reach out. My name is Jose with SEO Monster Design, and I'd be happy to help. All that I ask for this video is that you drop us a line of feedback, either on our Facebook page or our GMB, if it has been helpful for you or not. I'd be happy to jump on a phone call as well. My number is 806-268-7118. You guys have a good day, and thank you for your service.